Hello friends, it's Brittany. I'm here in our outside classroom. Thank you for joining me for our book gathering. Find yourself a comfortable place to sit down as we enjoy this wonderful book called Birds. Wow, I hear some birds behind me too. Well, this book is written by Brian Wildsmith. Wow, look at that bird. It was published in 1967. Wow. That was even before I was born. A wedge of swans. This book talks all about different ways to call different types of gatherings of birds. A sedge of herons. A sedge of herons. Can you say that? A sedge of herons. A nigh of pheasants. A nigh of pheasants. A nigh of pheasants. A sage of bitterns. Oh, that's a type of bird. Ooh. Look at where it lives. A sage of bitterns. A stare of owls. Ooh. Beautiful art. A walk of snipe. A walk of snipe. Can you say that? A walk of snipe. A watch of nightingales. A watch of nightingales. A watch of nightingales. A fall of woodcock. A fall of woodcock. A party of jays. Oh, can you believe it? That's what it's called. A party of jays. A party of jays. A congregation of pulver. A congregation of pulver. A congregation of pulver. There's a tiny bird right there. Oh, looked like a chickadee. An unkindness of ravens. Wow, an unkindness of ravens. An unkindness of ravens. A colony of penguins. Who knew that one? A colony of penguins. Wow. A rafter of turkeys. A rafter of turkeys. A company of parrots. A company of parrots. And that's the end. Wow. Birds. I wonder if you might decide to go outside and sit down in your yard and just wait silently for a couple minutes and see what kind of birds are all around you. I'm sitting here and I already see 1, 2, 3. I've already seen 4 different types of birds. Chickadee, a stellar jay, turkey vulture, and I think it was a golden finch. 4 birds, just while I was reading the bird book. So, I heard another one. I think that was a stellar jay. I wonder what you can find in your backyard when you sit and turn on your ears and silence your voice and use your nature vision. Such a beautiful world out there. Enjoy. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.